Hello guys, AB Judge here and we are back with another video tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across my video, you're very welcome. Do well to support this little girl by clicking on the subscribe button. My returning subscribers, thanks for your support. So guys, straight to the video. I use this dumb cap to achieve this style. Now you can use any wig cap of your choice. Now, when placing the dumb cap, make sure it's at the arc of the eyebrow of your dummy. Grab your lace, then secure it with your needle. Yeah, with a T-pin rather. Secure it with a T-pin so that it will move while you're sewing it down. Okay, then go ahead and grab your needle and your thread and sew it down on top of the dumb cap.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated. What is wrong? What is my problem? What can I get out of this world that I created? Fighting the storms in my head, don't know where I have been. I'm alone, no one to turn to, no one understands. Shit's too complicated. Away, and I feel like I am someone else. Away, and I feel like I don't know myself, no. Away, and I feel like I don't know my name. And I don't want to live this way. I don't want to keep on wasting a life. I'm drowning in my head, I'm losing my mind. And if you could know, yeah, if I could show you, I don't wanna keep on living this life so faceless.
Unknown brain, Marvin Divine, and we back. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Made it through the rain, I turned nothing into something. No more dealing with the assumptions.
And when you're done with that, the next thing to do is to cut the wig cap in that particular exact place you sew your lace so that your lace will be visible. Okay, now when doing this, you really need to be careful. Like I've ruined most of my work trying to cut out this part. So the thing I do now is anytime I want to cut it, I'll just put my index finger in between it, then grab my scissors and cut carefully.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in. I'm falling. The cityscape by night.
So after doing that, go ahead and wear the cap back on top of the mannequin head, then turn the head around, and then work begins. So guys, this is the exact way it should look after cutting out the cap underneath. So the next thing to do now is to prep the hair. Now, like I showed you guys before, I used 3 different color. This is the one I use the most. Like I use half of this and then small of the other 2. Now for each of them, what I did was to cut it into 4 because I needed the wig to look very short, like that kind of 8 inches. So I cut this into 2, then kept the other one, then I used the whole of the remaining half, then cut again with my scissors into 4. You get? Now you can cut anyhow you want. Like if you want a longer length, you cut in 3. If it is this particular length I'm wearing, you cut in 4. You get?
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
So next is to start working on your wig. Now you can decide to start at the back or the front. Now those particular wig, the lace part is where I decided to start with. You can decide to start from the back, but I decided to start from making the closure first. Okay, now I already have a detailed video of how you can make your own closure. Now if you haven't seen that video, go and see it so you understand better what we are doing here. Now, closure making is a very easy one. The only thing there is that you have to be patient, especially if you're just starting. You really have to be patient. Okay, and if you're working, work with few strands of hair. Don't pack hair. If not, you will ruin your hair. Work with few strands of hair. Okay.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my fall.
What I could achieve in a day, I got busy during the week, so I left the hair and then came back the other week to complete it. Okay, now you mustn't finish it at a time. Like if I want to do this, I only spend, let's say, 3 hours on it the first day, 3 hours on the second day, and I'm done. Like you mustn't finish it at a stretch, except you're very fast in closure making.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
Now, to get that very straight line, what I always do is to use my needle and pass a thread at the center like this, then secure it with a T-pin. Okay, this is safer. Like when you do this, you can go ahead and start crocheting. Okay, so that you have that straight line, you know. So when you're done with that, you can continue making your closure. Like now, you don't have to be careful on where you're crocheting because you already have an outline where your center will be. It gets, just go ahead and ventilate the lace accordingly. You get.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gone.
Yes, we are done making the closure. Like, we are done. The next thing to do is to remove the tipping, and then you remove the thread. Okay, just very simple. Drag it out and you're off. Okay, and you have that straight line. Like,
But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home.
so the next thing now to do is to start working on the cap. Is the easiest part. Just crochet randomly on the cap. And another point to note here is that when crocheting, double knot it. Don't just tie it once, tie it twice. Okay, because I've have several crochets here I've made, and I tied it once. It keeps on unraveling. So the best thing to do is, when doing that, make sure you double knot it. Okay.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds.
Yes, when you get to the front part of it, work with smaller section of hair so that the up part won't be bulky. Like, work with small section of hair and we are good.
In the end, but if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up.
So the wig is almost ready. The next thing to do now is to cut it the way you want. You can decide to wear it like this. Like this is already a style on its own, but this is not what we are going for. So I went ahead with my scissors to cut it. Now, when cutting this, make sure your hand is as straight as possible. Okay, it's very easy. Just make sure your hand is straight and cut accordingly. Like, very that simple. You get. So this was the first cutting I did, and it seems like it's still long for me. I went in with my brushed it, noticed that it was still long for me. I went in with the scissors again and cut again. Okay.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
So guys, for the dark roots, I use my mascara to just rub brush it through a little bit, okay, so that it will blend in with my own natural hair when I wear it.
Enough. I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So after doing that, your wig is ready, and your baby girl also is ready to slay the wig. So I went ahead to wear the wig to see how it looks on me, and I love the final look. Like, it came out so light and very soft to do, like I love the final look. Like, come on, this can actually pass as a human hair. You will never know I'm wearing a hair, like attachment braiding hair. Can you beat that? Okay guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something. Did you? If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to support your girl by subscribing to my channel. Click on the notification bell to know when I upload new videos. I'll be leaving now, and to see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.